Hi there, I'm Aditya. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some traditional Rajasthani block printing. I found a piece of fabric which I thought will be perfect for the block printing. I started by flattening out the fabric and ironing it so that it's easier to paint over. I got a big frame and using a screwdriver, I opened these black metal holders. Now I have used the same fabric and I have firmly placed it in the frame and framed it well. Make it easier for me to print over this fabric, I made sure all the edges are perfectly secured. It should look something like this. Make sure the cloth is tight enough for you to print over. Now using a ruler, I made equal divisions to make a grid. In my case, I divided the horizontal in division of 14 centimeter. Now using some masking tape, I made sure the lines are straight and made a grid. Now I moved on to the vertical grid. So I again divided it into division of 5. Using some more masking tape, I made box-like grid. Tape is the perfect thing to use because it's easy to remove and it makes sure that you have straight lines. You can see I have a perfect grid now and I made sure my design or the block it fits perfectly inside the square. Now you would require a sponge. You could use something like the one I have. A sponge makes sure that the paint is evenly spreaded on your design and makes sure that the paint does not get between the lines of the design. Now I'll be applying some good amount of paint on the sponge. You can use any color you like. I used brown over this white cloth. Make sure you apply enough paint for your design to absorb. I wanted to see how my design would look like. So I took the block and placed it on the sponge and applied some gentle pressure. Now I used this and placed it on a piece of paper and made sure the design sticks to the paper. So I applied a little pressure. Simply copy my method and I'm very sure you'll get good results. I would recommend you to listen to some music while you do block printing because it is a great stress buster and a fun activity. Now I'm ready to apply my design on the fabric. So I place the block on the fabric and press gently. And now remove the block to reveal your beautiful design that you just created so easily. Now follow the same steps to create a beautiful pattern. Almost done. Now to give you a closer look, I took my camera a little closer. Now you can see better. Now I'm following the same steps. Put some paint on the sponge, take your block, dip in it, and apply it to your fabric. It's that simple. And I'm almost done. Just 3 left. I hope you enjoy this video. Do like, subscribe, follow, and press the bell icon. Now, your last step would be to just remove the tape. Be careful while you do it. It is so satisfying to do it. And that's it, you're done. A beautiful DIY homemade traditional art is just ready. Now make a whole gallery wall and try out different designs, and do let me know how was it in the comment section below, and do tag me on Instagram.